the award winner for Nonfiction Group 2.
Thank you for coming today, Megan. What does it mean to you to have won the Hong Kong Young Writers Award 2015 for Nonfiction Group 2?
Winning the competition helped me be more confident about myself. Now I also like writing a lot more than I did before.
Did you find that participating in this competition has improved your English skills?
Yes, participating in this competition has improved my English skills tremendously. Now, I also learned interesting new words such as Janus, serenity, and transnational. I improved my description skills along with learning how to add characters and feelings into my writing.
What else did you learn?
I also learned to appreciate Chinese culture and history immensely through the writing competition.
Has winning motivated you to enter this year?
Yes. Being selected for the award inspired me to enter this year because the experience was so enjoyable.
How are you preparing for this year's competition?
I'm preparing for the competition by starting early and working regularly and diligently on it. I'm also reading more than before I start to write my first draft.
Will you be reusing any of the tactics that you've learned this year for this year's competition?
Last year I learned that the process of writing is more important than the result. It needs a lot of repetition to perfect your final version. You also need to grow passion on the topic that you're writing about so you can know more about it. I'm going to do exactly the same and more this year.
Since winning last year, has it encouraged you to write anything new that you can share with us?
Yes, I'm writing a story called Henry and Cleopatra, which is about a very mean person who is called Henry, and he has a wife called Cleopatra. He slowly learns to be nicer after Cleopatra turns him into things that he is mean to, such as a tiger, swan, snail, and hat. After he becomes nicer, Cleopatra leaves him because he's a fairy. Then Henry marries a princess called Anna.
That sounds like a very interesting story. Do you have any creative tips for students to looking to enter this year's competition?
One of the tips is, in addition to reading many books and watching videos, I think I benefited from making trips to discover more about the topic that I was writing about. This gave me first-hand experience and kindled my interest in the topic. I think that it made my writing more unique and vivid.
Thank you for coming today.